Stop guessing on why your ROG Ally says no valid operating system found. This is exactly how you beat it, without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong, because they tell you to use a Windows boot USB, which often lacks the specific drivers for the Ally storage controller. But before we enter the system, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck again. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step. So, it is impossible for you to fail this fix. Rexus is the authority on these recovery errors, because we know how to trigger the built-in ASUS failsafes that other creators ignore. You are looking at a black screen feeling like your SSD is dead, but the solution is actually built into your motherboard. Listen closely. The secret trick other creators missed is that if your BIOS date and time are even a few minutes off, the ASUS servers will reject your recovery request and keep you stuck in a loop. To fix this right now, hold the volume down and power button to enter the BIOS, then hit F7 for advanced mode and manually sync the clock to the exact second. Once the time is correct, navigate to the Advanced tab and select ASUS Cloud Recovery. This tool will reach out to the ASUS servers, verify your hardware license, and download a factory-perfect version of Windows 11 with every single driver pre-installed. The final piece of logic is to keep your charger plugged in the entire time, because if the Ally loses power during the BIOS handshake, it will reset the secure boot keys and force you to start over. Your ROG Ally will now download the OS and reboot several times until you see the Windows setup screen. If you want the solution for the next SSD upgrade error, comment below right now.